Wix versus Etsy, the ultimate showdown. Folks, tonight we're diving into the thrilling world of e-commerce. That's right, we're talking online stores, baby. Two heavyweights are battling for your attention, Wix and Etsy. Think Ali versus Fraser, but with less sweat and more website templates. In this corner we have Wix, the do-it-yourself champ, letting you build a website that screams you. And in the other corner, Etsy, the craft fair champion, perfect for showcasing your handmade treasures. Who will win this e-commerce Royal Rumble? Stick around, folks, because things are about to get digital. First up, let's give it up for Wix. This platform is revolutionizing the way we think about building online stores. This platform is all about giving you the tools to build your online empire your way. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Wix has got you covered. Imagine a digital Lego set for your business, but way less likely to end up under your foot. Ouch! You can piece together your dream store brick by brick with ease. Wix boasts over 200 million users. That's a massive community of creators and business owners just like you. That's like everyone in Texas and California combined, shopping online. Imagine the potential reach for your business. They offer tons of customizable templates, making it easy peasy to create a website as unique as your fingerprint. You can tweak every detail to match your brand's personality. Don't know code? No problemo. Wix takes the stress out of web design. Wix's drag-and-drop editor is so user-friendly, even your grandma could launch a website. Seriously, it's that simple. And trust me, if Mima can handle it, you definitely can. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your dream store today with Wix. Hold your horses, folks, because Etsy's strutting into the ring. This isn't just any platform. It's a vibrant marketplace where creativity knows no bounds. This platform's got a heart of gold, dedicated to supporting independent creators and their one-of-a-kind goods. It's a place where passion meets purpose, and every item tells a story. Think of it as the world's biggest, coolest craft fair, open 24/7. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, Etsy's doors are always open for you to explore. Etsy's the place to be if you're selling handmade goodies, vintage finds, or unique craft supplies. From intricate jewelry to rare vintage treasures, there's something for everyone. It's like a digital flea market, but without the questionable smells and haggling. You get all the charm and none of the hassle. Bonus! Etsy's got a whopping 96 million active buyers. That's a massive audience just waiting to discover your unique creations. That's a whole lot of potential customers for your crocheted cacti or hand-painted pet portraits. Imagine the possibilities when your art reaches so many eyes. Plus, Etsy's built-in community means you're surrounded by fellow creatives, ready to share tips, tricks, and maybe even swap friendship bracelets. It's a supportive network where you can grow and thrive together. Section 4. Head-to-head. Which one reigns supreme? All right, folks, it's time for a good old-fashioned comparison. We're diving deep into the world of e-commerce platforms. Wix is like that friend who loves to build things from scratch. They take pride in every detail, ensuring everything is just right. They're independent, flexible, and always up for a challenge. With Wix, you have the freedom to create a store that truly reflects your vision. Etsy, on the other hand, is like that friend who throws legendary craft nights. They bring people together, fostering a sense of community. They're all about community, creativity, and finding the perfect handmade treasure. Etsy is a haven for artisans and crafters. Wix gives you ultimate design freedom, but you're responsible for driving traffic to your store. It's a blank canvas waiting for your masterpiece. Etsy brings the shoppers to you, but you're playing by their rules and paying those pesky transaction fees. It's a trade-off between convenience and control. It's a tough call, folks, but don't worry, I've got your back. We'll weigh the pros and cons to help you decide which platform suits your needs best. Section 5. So, who wins this e-commerce Royal Rumble? Here's the deal, folks. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all boils down to your needs. If you're a control freak who loves customization and selling a wide range of products, Wix is your jam. But if you're a creative soul selling handmade or vintage goods, Etsy's your best bet. Either way, you're taking charge and sharing your passions with the world. And that, my friends, deserves a round of applause.